This is OPPO Reno12 FS, and today I would like to show how you can fix hacked system issues on this device. So in the beginning, I recommend that you check for available system, software and security updates by launching your device's settings, then enter the security and privacy, then unfold the system and update section, and first check for system updates, and if there will be a newer version of the software, make sure to download and install it right away. You can also check for, you should also check for security updates, and Google Play system update wouldn't be unreasonable. Then you can also launch the Google Play Store, tap at your profile picture, launch the Play Protect page, and scan your phone for harmful apps. And the last advice that I have for you, at least in this video, is that you try using some third-party apps, antivirus solutions, and security solutions, such as Avast, for instance. So just, it doesn't have to be Avast, obviously. If you know any other antivirus app or you just prefer any alternative application, you can absolutely go for it. Just the point is, try to also scan your system using some external or non-system apps or third-party solutions, to put it simply. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. If you have any further questions, leave them in the comments below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye-bye.